Alright, it's a gorgeous day today to fly. We're about to test the new Autel Evo. Autel Evo, baby. Yep. Brand new in the box. That's it. Alright, we're gonna compare this with the Dji Mavic Pro 2, the sound level, see which one is quieter than, we'll see how loud it is. Alright,
1, 2.
we already removed all the plastics, all the necessary and unnecessary plastics. Remote's already unboxed. We already test the connection. We're about to fly this bad boy.
Okay.
Yep. So it's in bright orange. Okay, well, first we need to remove the gimbal cover because you don't want to turn it on and then the gimbal will move and we don't want to burn the gimbal. So remove that before you turn it on.
Yeah.
Yep. So just pull it down, push. That's it. Simple it is. Yep, right there.
It's dancing.
Okay, then we turn it on, press and hold for 3 seconds. That's it. And now the remote.
It's waiting for signal.
Then press and hold. And I think that's it. You see it's turning on.
It's gonna connect.
Look, see how fast it is. Powering up. Connected. What the heck? Ready to go. Not like DJI. Freaking, you still need a phone.
Here, I hold.
Alright. Alright, we're about to fly. Alright. And then press up. Oh, look at that. How do you see it on the video? All right, we're about to measure the sound. Wait, not those. I'm gonna go ahead and measure it. It's about the maximum is about 87, 89, 87, 89. Okay, 87, 89 dB. So the Autel is connected in seconds, basically probably 2 seconds.
Yep.
Not even. So the
Yep.
DJI Mavic Pro, you gotta calibrate, you gotta connect the phone. There's so many, whatever
Steps.
So I'm gonna take off.
Take off.
All right. Okay. Check it out. It's quieter by by 76.9. Max is 88, 89. It's the same. It's the same as the Autel.
The same noise.
It's the same propeller noise. 89 dB for both, so which is good.
I wanna see it. Magnetic.
Can you still turn it on? Oh, okay. Safe to fly now. A little bit. You know what? Because of the fence.
Okay, yeah, this is a little louder.
No, this feels a little quieter. Yeah, bring it up, this. Yeah, I can see it. I can see the drone. Right there. Right there.
Hopefully it doesn't. Damn, that's high.
Okay, there's two drones. Right there. It's the same. So it's the same, right? It's the same loudness of the propeller.
Yep. Turning.
Yep, yep.
Stay.
Okay, in summary, they're both the same. So which is cool. The only difference with the Autel is it shoots 4K at 60 frames. And on the remote, it's got a live preview video. On a setup time, mine takes a while. Just I still have to calibrate. So pretty neat. Alright, that was the quick test.
What about this? It's coming.
See you later.